This is the first version of the FX201 keyboard PCB. I had some mods, I got the layout wrong, but once I'd done those modifications it worked. Now this, let's turn it on, this is working. Every key is fine. Go through the lot, there we go. And also the LEDs work, so if I put something into 7 you can see the light comes on, and then if I have a look and see what's in 7, answer light comes on. And this is the version 2 PCB. Get the back off. They arrived, and let's pull that off. There we go. And it went straight in. I had to open up some holes here, and that was the only thing that needed to be changed. The LEDs are the correct way round, and all these wires have gone. Everything is wired in fine, and physically it fits apart from that, which is pretty easy to do and doesn't really make much difference. And there we go, version 2, much neater. So what I actually took that off was this board. So the switches and LEDs came off here. This board looks okay, but whenever I put it into a calculator it just goes mad. The display is stuff that shouldn't be displayed, and I can't really see why, because it looks in pretty good condition, that one. So anyway, I took that off, swapped it over, and works fine. So version 2 PCB, much better. I might do another revision if I run out of boards. I've got quite a few 201s and quite a few keyboards that aren't very nice, so I might swap over quite a few of my keyboard PCBs, because these are they don't look a bit untidy. They don't really look particularly nice. It's a nice deep green on there, but the wires. And also if you do put these pin headers on, this being a single-sided board means unfortunately you actually have to solder on the top side of the PCB to get these on, whereas my board being a double-sided board, you just solder it on the back and you're done, which always made it a bit tricky and a little bit precarious as to the connections on here, because quite often these tracks break along here, so bit of a problem. But yeah, there we go, version 2.